Okay, I can't believe it's been like 6 months since I started my YouTube channel. I mean, I started before that, but 6 months since I seriously started it. And one video actually hit 125,000 views, which still blows my mind. Now, why am I telling you this? It's not to brag, but to show you that I started with 0 views, just like everybody else. And I'm 56 years old, and it took time before my videos started taking off. But little by little, they began to grow. So let's talk about why this whole YouTube thing is totally worth it. So if you're thinking it's too late to start a YouTube channel, maybe because of your age or the amount of competition on YouTube, I want you to know it's not too late. In fact, by the end of this video, I hope to convince you that starting a YouTube channel might be one of the best decisions that you can make for yourself. And I'm going to even share with you a little secret, a built-in advantage that you already have, one that most people don't even realize, and that advantage can actually help you grow your channel faster than any others. Okay, so let's dive in. There are multiple ways and side hustles that you can start to make money online, and I talk about them on this channel. But in this video, I'm specifically going to talk to you about YouTube and how YouTube can pay you, and you can make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month or more. And that's a great way to start growing your income so that you have some portability and flexibility going into retirement. And then you can live that freedom lifestyle because you can do it from literally anywhere. And here's the thing, on this YouTube journey, it gave me so much perspective. I'm going to share with you a bit of the highs, the plateaus, and some of the doubts that I've had. And I've built this into a growing income stream. And I want you to know that you can too, even if you're starting with zero money and zero experience. And before we dive into part 2, you're going to want to make sure to grab my free YouTube Success Starter Kit. It's the exact roadmap that I use to start and grow my channel and my income step by step. You can grab that link below. So YouTube is actually a business and it's built for people like us. So let's talk about why YouTube is totally worth your time. First, YouTube is not just a social media platform, it's a business. And you can earn real money from it. A lot of people think you need a ton of subscribers to start making money, and that is totally not true. It's all about views and video topics. Some of my most viewed videos came when I just had a few thousand subscribers. In fact, only one of my videos went viral so far, and it helped me to start making real income. I was making money from the other ones, but this one just woo shot it over the top. Like YouTube recently deposited over 3,500 into my account, and that's just from one video. So you don't need a huge following. Even if you only have 100 people watch your videos, one of them might become your customer. And the best part, you can film your videos from anywhere and it's on your own time schedule. You use your phone and YouTube lets you be your own boss. So starting from scratch with no money, no problem. Let's bust that myth that you actually need expensive gear. Like I simply bought a tripod and a small mic, like this little lapel mic right here that I'm wearing on my shirt. I don't have one of those big ones, and that's it. No studio, no lighting, no fancy editing gear. Although I do have a ring light in my office here. You can probably see little rings in my glasses. And that just helps, to put a little bit of light here. But honestly, I love using daylight. It's the favorite kind of light. I just have my window blinds open here and the light is shining in on my face. I've personally done all my own editing, and I use an amazing app called Descript. I like to call it the editing app for people who aren't editors or techie, because it's literally you can edit the video like it's a Word doc. Pretty cool. And it has the power of AI. Okay, let me just show you here that I don't use any fancy camera. I just use my iPhone 14 Pro. Like literally, I record on here and then I upload it into Descript, which helps me with the studio sound and it makes it look like you're seeing right now. It's amazing what you can do with what you already own. The link to a free Descript account is in the description below, and it's also included in my free YouTube Success Starter Kit, which you can download below. The key is this: don't let procrastination stop you from sharing. Just start. And you start learning as you go. We all start, we all flop, we all do things, but that's how we learn, right? Okay, let's talk about one of the biggest questions that new creators ask. How do I pick a niche? This seems to be what holds a lot of people up. And I help people with this inside my Freedom Builders Club, where I teach them how to create income online, how to grow their YouTube channel, like really everything step by step. But here's what I always tell them: your niche starts with you. Your unique skills, your experiences, your interests, they're more valuable than you think. Everyone has something they can talk about. Think about it. What do people always ask you for? What do people always ask you for help with? What could you talk about for hours and hours on end? That's why YouTube is so powerful. There's always someone out there who wants to learn something that you already know. And once you start growing your channel, you open up multiple ways to make money, not just through YouTube AdSense, but you can also add affiliate marketing, which is like referral marketing, and even creating your own digital product. I cover all of this inside the Freedom Builders Club, where I show you how to do exactly that: how to take what you already know and turn it into something that helps people and brings in income. So don't stress about figuring it all out up front. Start with what you know. The niche will get clearer as you grow. Okay, so now for that secret advantage that I promised you. You know how people over 50 prefer watching videos from people their own age? Well, there are hardly any YouTubers in their 50s or 60s, even 40s. So that means that you have almost no competition. Your age isn't a disadvantage, it's a superpower. People want to learn from someone that they relate to. They're not looking for a 22-year-old to teach them how to retire or build income online. They're looking for you. And yes, imposter syndrome is real. You'll hear your videos and you'll cringe and you'll worry what people will think. You'll feel like you're not good enough. But those voices in your head, they're not the truth. Even after posting over 200 videos, I still doubt myself. I make mistakes, but I keep showing up. And that's what matters most. YouTube is one of the few platforms left where being yourself is your biggest asset. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be real. And when you show up that way, people will feel it and they'll want more of you. So if you're thinking about starting your own channel, do it. Don't wait for it to be perfect. Don't wait to have the perfect niche. Just start. And don't forget, and if you grab my YouTube Success Starter Kit, it's going to help you get started the right way. It's really what I use to go from zero to building real income online. And I highly, highly recommend you starting a YouTube channel. It's absolutely free to get started, and you can begin making money even in your 50s. But if you also want to learn the easiest digital side hustle to make money in your 50s, then you're going to want to watch this video right here. And when you partner that with the power of YouTube, you've got a real powerful money making machine. I'll see you in the next video, my friend.